Welcome back. We're back on the farm this week. It's British Beef Week, and so I thought it would be appropriate to be down on the farm with the cows, and also with my trusty cattle dog, Peggy. See her? Peggy is going to attempt to round these bulls up and get them into this field. Right, Peg? Are you ready? Oh, you sat! I didn't even ask you to do that. Are you ready to go? Are you listening? Let's do this. Go! Oh my god, some miracle is occurring. Peggy is actually doing it. She's actually doing it. Peggy, well done. Good dog! Come here! Good dog! Here. Oh. Sit! Yeah, she doesn't do it when I ask. Sit! So we have the bulls in the right field, and now these cows are fat. She's ready. She's in the wrong place, but she's ready. Get this fence open. Oh, we're on the move. We're on the move. Lot of pegs. Good, back round. We're moving. We're going. No idea where Peggy is. Oh, there she is. Well done! Good dog. There we go, all done. Cows in the right field, bulls in the right field. This is also my favourite part of the day because look how happy they are. I can hear the other ones calling, they want to be moved. I'm going to go there next. But I just wanted to answer, someone asked on the Facebook post last week whether we still sell breeding bulls, and yes we do. In fact, we sold 2 bulls yesterday. We sold Schraden Vermoose and Schraden 1 Valentino, and they are all off this grass-based system, so they've only ever eaten grass, so we're really excited. So pending their health checks, so we're just going to get them fertility tested and pre-movement TB tested to make sure they don't have any tuberculosis, and then they'll be off to Ellesmere, which is really exciting.